Photos and fun facts for kids. Kids learn with picture series for Jaxon and Jalen. Mommy and baby horses are busy. What are they doing? Baby sheep is alone. Where is its mommy? Mommy goat is taking care of her baby. Can you see them? Look at this baby horse. What color is it? Brown. Here is a group of cows. How many can you see? 3. Look at these sheep. What color are they? Baby pigs are resting. Is it nap time? The cow is looking. What does it see? Mommy ducks are busy. Where are they going? Horse has a long tail. What other animals have tails? Look at this horse. What color is it? Here is a family of cows. How many are there? The cow opens its mouth. What sound does it make? Moo! The caravel is playing in the mud. Is it bath time? The caravel's mouth is full. What is it eating? Baby pigs are sleeping. Where is their mommy? Mommy pig is walking in the mud. Where is she going? Baby goats are with their mommy. Can you see them? Look at this baby sheep. Is it called a lamb? Or is it called a lamb? Chickens live on a farm. What other animals live on a farm? Mommy chicken is running. Where is she going? Baby chicken hatched from an egg. How many eggs are there or are not yet hatched? chicken has a beak. What other animals have beaks? Look at this alpaca. What color is it? Here is another alpaca. How many teeth can you see? 2. The donkey is yawning. Is it bedtime yet? The donkey is sleeping now. Good night, donkey.
Hi everyone, this is Jackson. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.